What to do in the garden in April, when temperatures might still drop below freezing at night. In April, don't uncover yourself with a thread. If this saying applies to all frost-sensitive plants, you can still take some plants outside. Like Mediterranean plants, olive trees and citrus can go back on your balcony. Oleanders have no business being inside or in your sunroom, nor in your greenhouse. Even if it's cold, even if temperatures are slightly below zero, they can still withstand being outside. Since it's still too early to plant your annual flowers on the balcony, there are still risks of frost. Take the opportunity to plant herbs like savory thyme and variegated thyme. You have different varieties of thyme like lemon thyme, and you can also add oregano, mint, potted parsley that you can currently find in garden centers, and why not regular thyme. In April, it's the time when the soil starts to warm up. It's the right time to plant your evergreen shrubs like laurels, aucubas, or why not rhododendrons. It's also the time when conifers start to grow. It's the right time to trim your hedge, whether it's a hedge of pipes or cypress. But be careful, make sure to follow the safety rules. Put on a helmet. If you have a motorized trimmer, wear gloves so you never cut yourself. And then there's a rule to follow as well. Trim your hedges to 2 meters high to always stay in compliance with your neighbor, and take advantage of April to trim your boxwood borders. The bulbs also planted in pots, and then bring a special boxwood fertilizer to help them thrive. You dream of growing vegetables, yet you have neither a vegetable garden nor a yard. It's possible thanks to the raised garden beds. For that you use boards that are 1.20 meters on each side, so that gives you squares. Just fill it with soil inside. This way you'll be able to start eating lettuce, radishes, and starting in May, why not plant some tomatoes? In April, it's the right time to start planting your potatoes, so you can shelter them under a tunnel. You'll save time harvesting your first early potatoes starting in June. When it comes to all the late potatoes, it's better to wait until the lilacs are in bloom before you start planting them. Take advantage of spring to do your trimming around your trees. This will help you avoid damaging the trunks of the trees when you mow, and you'll especially save time. If your lawn looks sad and there are bare spots, why not roll out some sod? You'll save time because in just a few weeks you'll already be able to do your first mowings. And then we're going to wrap up our month of April with the transplanting. So these are tomato seedlings, along with cucumbers, pickles and melons. There's even a little bit of basil that was sown starting in March. So, in a warm greenhouse, take advantage of this month to transplant them into pots and save time. You will always keep them in the warmth starting in May. In May, do what you like. You can transplant them permanently, outside.